The digestive tract and the process of digestion is a complex mechanism. You have probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat," and it is very true. In order to stay healthy and function properly, we must eat healthy and nutritious food. But this is rarely the case. The usual diet around the world nowadays consists of too much processed food and toxic substances that are often the culprit of many chronic diseases, including cancer. Besides this, these foods significantly affect the digestive process, which results in numerous other problems. Luckily, there's something that can help. A simple, natural remedy which will relieve your digestive problems and clean your bowels in just 2 minutes. Cleaning the colon at least twice a year is of vital importance. People in the past rightfully used enemas, but this practice has become forgotten over the years. Cleaning your colons is an important task and will eliminate the excess waste from your body and prevent further accumulation of toxins and the subsequent health problems. Here is a recipe that can clean your colon in only few minutes. Ingredients: 150 grams of plums, 150 grams of dates, 5 cups of boiling water. Preparation: bring the water to a boil in a pot and add the sliced plums and dates. Then reduce the heat to low and simmer the mixture for about 15 minutes. Now leave it to cool down and transfer it to another container. Then take a tablespoon of the remedy on an empty stomach in the morning. This powerful mixture will improve your digestion while relieving problems such as constipation with ease. It will clean your colon completely and improve your overall health. Try it yourself and you will be amazed by the results. If you find these information useful, hit the like button, share this and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.